This video will show you about working with modeling windows in the AQUARIUS forecast application. So I'll show you docking, floating, and snapping. So let's just move over to the server. So when you have a model open, this is the main window, has the design interface. And you can click on any one of these tabs below if you're going to work with each of them. So you can see trend data has the most information, and most commonly you would actually look at the chart. So what I'm going to do is just pull this trend data tab out, and if you just see that blue square come, that's actually floating now just anywhere. So you can move that onto another screen and you can resize it completely independent of the main window. And so in this case you'd probably look at a chart. So if I just build this model and run it, you'll see the chart come up there. So you might want to move that off. But what I want to show you is just working with these windows. So if I just dock that again, it puts that tab down at the bottom here, but you generally want to look at both. So the idea of snapping comes to play, and to snap you really need to work with this icon that comes up on the screen. So you snap to the right by moving your cursor onto the right, top, left, and bottom. Okay, so commonly you would just work on the left, and now that's snapped into place. So you can work on the properties for that chart and the chart, or look at the grid of data, and that will stay there on the right hand side now because you've snapped it. Now you can choose to dock this again. If you want to take this tab right out of here, you can move it up and put your cursor right over the middle part, and you can see the tab just goes down at the very bottom. So alright, so that's just an easy way to work. One last little thing I'll show you is you can see some of the drop downs on the little icons down here. Just if you click between the description or the functions, it will change these to the different parts here. So if I change there over to the grid, you can change each one. So there you have it, working with windows in Forecast.